Want to set funny nicknames for your friends in the Facebook Messenger? You're in the right place. I'll show you step by step on how to add nicknames for your friends on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger. Get into the conversation where you want to set a nickname. Now you will see their profile showing at the top. In here, tap on Nicknames. Now click the name of the person you want to set a nickname for. Type in anything you want. After that, hit save or set depending on your app version. And you have successfully set a new nickname for your friend. So that's how easy it is to set nicknames for friends on Messenger. As a side note, you should also know that both you and the other person can change each other's nicknames. Now, if this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like, and I hope I'll see you around in the next tutorial.